Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to blur your background in Google Meet so your video looks more professional. First of all, join a meeting. Open Google Meet on your computer or in your mobile phone, then join a meeting. Before entering, you will see a preview of the video. You can join from the code that your teacher or some friends have provided and hit the join. Before you join, you will see the preview of your video. Then access the background option. Click the three dots menu, apply visual effects on the desktop or effects on the mobile. You will see option to blur your background either lightly or fully. Then apply the blur. Select slide blur for a soft background effect or full blur to hide everything behind you. Your video feed will show the blur instantly. Then now change the during meeting. You can also blur your background during the meeting. Click the three dot, apply the visual effects and switch between no blur, slight blur or full blur anytime. And that's it. Now your Google Meet background is blurred. And that's it. Now your Google Meet background is blurred. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.